Ever wondered why that elbow or knee keeps cracking like a symphony of popping corn? Well, it's all about those bubbles. No, not the champagne kind, but the ones floating around in your synovial fluid. This lubricating liquid in your joints contains gases like oxygen, nitrogen, and carbon dioxide. When you stretch or bend your joint, the capsule around the synovial fluid expands, causing the gas bubbles to pop and create that familiar cracking sound. But don't worry, it's mostly harmless unless it's accompanied by pain, swelling, or loss of function. So next time your knee sounds like a firecracker, remember, it's just your body's way of letting off a little steam, or should we say, popping a few bubbles. Stay curious, stay informed, and keep exploring the wonders of your amazing body.